So this is about hair color restoration. Let's move now to speak about hair coloring. Hair coloring is another way to reduce the gray color, and it's part of the anti-aging phenomena, which means reduce the sign of aging. We know from research that about 75% of American women are using colored dyes, and this has been expanded into men as well as women. So the use of color is very common. Let's see what can we add to this product to make it last longer. In order to do this, first we address the issue of what is the process of hair coloring. So almost all hair coloring are made out of at least 3 components. The first one is ammonia. And those that don't contain ammonia, then they will contain ethanolamine. Number 1. Number 2, they will contain hydrogen peroxide. Okay? And number 3, they will contain a materials that called PPD, and this is one of the primary coloring agents, PPD. Now let's look at the picture that shows the hair structure from the surface and as a cross section. The surface of the hair is based on cuticles. Then inside we have the core and the medulla, the cortex and the medulla. This is the basic structure of hair. Now what happens when we apply ammonia? Ammonia causing the cuticles to pull apart, like you see in this picture. This is practically damaging the hair because now the hair is organized differently and it will take time to repair. But this is essential in order to add the coloring complex, the hydrogen peroxide and the PPD and some other ingredients in order to form the coloring complex. The coloring complex is going to form in the cortex. What you see now in the illustration is the red color in the cortex, but you see that the cuticles are still open. Now, once you put a conditioner, and if it's a good conditioner, then the swollen cuticle layer will be sealed. So this is the process of coloring the hair. Now the question comes, how to keep the color inside so it doesn't fade. Why it would fade? Because the cuticle will raise. What caused the cuticle to raise? 2 major factors. One of them is the sun, free radicals. This can be addressed with any kind of a UV filter. The other one is shampoo, water and shampoo, surfactant. They cause the cuticle to pull apart, and as they pull apart, the pigment can easily leach out. So now the question is how can we, with the technology, prevent this from happening?